In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date in Microsoft Loop, an easy process you can complete in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and break it down step by step to ensure it's as clear and simple as possible. First, start by opening up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser, simply go to the search bar and type in Microsoft Loop. Hit Enter, and in the search results, you'll see the official link for Microsoft Loop. Click on that link to open the Microsoft Loop website. This takes you directly to the login page or the main dashboard, depending on how your settings are configured. Once you're on the Microsoft Loop platform, the next step is to sign in. Use your credentials to log into your account, keeping in mind that the email and password you use should be the same as those for your Microsoft account. If your browser has saved your login details, you might be signed in automatically. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard of Microsoft Loop, which is a hub for all your recent activities and projects. Now it's time to navigate to the location where you want to add the date. This could be a document, a note, a project page, or any section within your workspace where the date needs to be inserted. Use the search bar or the sidebar to quickly find the specific page or category you're looking for. Clicking on the right section will open it up, ready for you to make your changes. Next comes the process of actually adding the date. Click into the text box or the area where you want to enter the date. It's essential to type the date in a format that Microsoft Loop recognizes. Popular formats include the US-style month-day-year, MMDDYYYY, or the more international day-month-year, DDMMYYY. You can also write the date in a more descriptive format, like August 1st, 2025, if you prefer. Choose the format that best suits your needs or follows your organizational guidelines for consistency. After typing in the date, the final step is to confirm your entry. You can do this simply by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard or clicking outside the text box. This action locks in the entered date, making it a part of your document or workspace. If you've followed these steps carefully, you should now have successfully added a date to your project in Microsoft Loop. And there you have it, in a nutshell. A quick and straightforward way to add a date in Microsoft Loop. If you have any more tips or areas you'd like us to cover, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.